Yes, I'm already in Qatar. So let's meet today at Matrix Club inside VIP Hotel. Get your tickets, man. It's gonna be amazing. It's a Kenyan night experience. So get your tickets right now.
That's what's up. Apple salsa.
Nadia.
How is the feeling in Qatar? It's beautiful. Amazing. African pop song here. I said, very nice for this Matrix Hotel.
Nitakukomboa, nitakukomboa. Huyo nasema ni wangu, oh ni wangu.
Nasemaje mzee?
Yo man, mzee Nadia Mukami sound check mzee. Nadia Mukami sound check night. Mwisho mzee una camp night mzee na una buy chiko mzee. Today itakuwa fire Matrix Club VIP hotel. Everything is all about VIP.
Au sio? Zio.
Guys, tonight we are here with Nadia Mukami, the African pop star mwenyewe. Na guess what? Who are here guys? Yo.
What's up? See you all tonight. Come, let's have a good time with our very own Nadia Mukami
representing Extreme Entertainment.
What can people expect today?
A good time.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Great time.
Someone asking there, how can he or she found a ticket, man?
At the entrance.
How much?
100 riyals only.
And time?
Starting from 8 p.m. onwards. Come early, reserve your ticket, reserve your table early.
Give us location.
The Matrix Club, y'all.
Hotel.
And the Matrix VIP hotel.
Wow, amazing. Maza guys, make sure na come maza tonight wapi? Matrix.
Kujeni, tell a friend.
Wow.
Usikuje peke yako.
Amazing.
Kuje wengi.
What's up guys, maza Matrix Hotel tonight.
Welcome to Mapetco Kenya YouTube channel. So leo Nadia ako hapa manze. Tuko wapi leo? Tuko hapa VIP. So ma sound check pale nini. Acha nionyeshe vile mambo inatulia, sio? Wazi kama. It's all about the sound check manze. Alafu
the African Queen.
Masaa yake hapo African popstar atakuwa na perform pale, so tell a friend. Basi wachukue tiko au sio?
Ndio hiyo mwanangu.
Ni hapa tu Matrix.
Yeah man.
So nangoja hivyo sound check nini. Tujue vile kunaenda au sio?
Make sure buy ticket ama vipi?
Wazi.
The door is open there.
Subscribe hapo Mapetco Kenya.
Yeah.
Mursal au sio?
Yeah man, kabisa bro. Matrix. Guys, maze tonight maze Matrix VIP hotel maze. Kila kitu hapa ni VIP. Haya, na make sure unapata kila kitu kwa Mapetco Kenya maze. Wow, it's amazing bro.